Welcome back to Tumpixel. In this video, we're going to explore two of the most important building blocks of a professional website, the global header and global footer. These elements typically appear across the entire website, helping maintain consistency and making content management much easier. Once you understand how global components work, you'll save a significant amount of time when building and maintaining websites. Before we start editing, it's important to understand the difference between a component template and a global component. A component template is simply a reusable design template. When you drag it into a page and customize it, the changes only affect that specific instance. Other templates and the original template remain unchanged. A global component works differently. It is shared across multiple locations or pages. When you modify a global component, every page using that component is updated automatically. This is one of the key features that makes managing large websites much more efficient. The most common examples are the global header and global footer. If your website contains dozens or even hundreds of pages, updating a phone number, contact information, or navigation menu page by page would be extremely time-consuming. With global components, you update once and the entire website stays synchronized. Beyond headers and footers, global components can also be used for pricing tables, promotional banners, contact sections, call-to-action blocks, or any content that should remain consistent throughout the website. There are two different ways to edit a global component. The first method is through the Components tab in the right panel. Here you'll find all components available in your website. Global components are marked with a globe icon, making them easy to identify. When you hover over a component, an Edit button appears on the right side. Simply click it to open the Global Component Editor. The second method is editing directly from the design canvas. When a global component has already been added to a page, hovering over it usually reveals a purple outline and a quick action toolbar. This toolbar also includes an Edit button for opening the editor. After clicking Edit, Tumpixel opens a dedicated editing window for the global component. The Layer Navigation panel now displays the complete internal structure of that component. In this example, we're editing the global header. Inside the global header, you'll see a component called Base Header. This is one of Tumpixel's foundational components, designed specifically for building website navigation systems. When selecting the base header, detailed settings become available in the right panel. Since this is a header component, the Content tab includes convenient menu management tools. Now, let's create a new menu item called New Page. Then we'll link it to the new page that was previously created. Once everything is configured, click Create to add the new menu item to the website navigation. After finishing the changes, close the editor window. The system will display a confirmation dialog before saving. This step is important because the global component may be used throughout multiple sections of the website. Before confirming, take a moment to review your changes. If everything looks correct, click Confirm to save. The updates will automatically be applied to every location using that global component. After saving, you'll see that the global header now includes the new page menu item. Let's switch to another page and verify the result. The new menu automatically appears there as well, without any additional editing. Next, let's learn how to turn an existing header into a global header. As you may remember, this homepage was built using component templates. So how can we make other pages use the same header and footer? There are multiple ways to do this, but in this video, we'll use the fastest approach. Right-click the header section you want to reuse. Select Save As, then choose Global Header. The system will ask whether you want to overwrite the existing global header. If this is the header you want to use across the website, click Confirm. Repeat the same process for the footer. Right-click the footer section, choose Save As, select Global Footer, and confirm the update. Now, let's switch to another page to verify the result. As you can see, the header and footer have been updated automatically. There's no need to edit each page individually. With just a few simple actions, the entire website now shares a consistent global header and global footer. This is one of the features that makes Tumpixel highly efficient for building and maintaining large-scale websites. In the next video, we'll continue exploring more advanced Tumpixel features that help you build websites faster, more professionally, and with greater efficiency. See you in the next tutorial.